Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto believers. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Bitcoin's RSI reaches lowest point in 2 years. Here's why it is possibly good for market. Ireland now the latest to take note of record number of crypto ads. Non-zero ETH addresses hit ATH. Ethereum overtooks Visa in trading volume in 2021. Russian crypto ban proposal draws denunciations from Telegram's Durov and Navalny's chief of staff. So let's start up with our refresh feed. Firstly, the relative strength index, one of the most widely used technical indicators in market analysis, has reached extremely low levels last seen in March 2020, which were caused by the global financial crisis. But is it really that bad, or is it just a step back to take a bigger jump? Let's find out. The Relative Strength Index (RSI) is a popular tool for determining market conditions and identifying reversal opportunities wherever the price hits oversold or overbought levels. The indicator may also be used to discover divergences on a price chart and evaluate if the asset's trend is reversing. While divergences may be regarded as an extra approach to use the indicator, the main way to use the RSI is to search for oversold and overbought levels. While the RSI might provide us a hint about future movement, it isn't a cure-all for the bear market because its indications are typically regarded short-term. Almost every RSI-based reversal signal remains active until the indicator's readings reach neutral. Bitcoin reversed almost immediately after falling below the value of 25 on the indicator in March of 2020, reaching a low high of $10,000. However, while the indicator predicted a short-term reversal, the data it gave did not indicate that the cryptocurrency would reach a new high in the coming months. So maybe it's not that bad and Bitcoin is all set to jump. Let's sit back on our seats, as we all can do is wait and watch. Also, Bitcoin is currently trading at $35,865, following another surprising plunge during the asset's fall, which began in November when the digital gold was trading at almost $70,000. Anyways, moving to our next segment, not only have crypto products sparked debate in recent months, but they also have their ads. The United Kingdom is one of the countries that is keeping a close eye on these trends. However, another country's authority has turned its attention to crypto ads as well. The Advertising Standards Authority of Ireland, the country's advertising body that now supervises crypto commercials, has received complaints and is closely monitoring the UK's response. Since 2019, ASAI has received 4 complaints according to the report. The Floki Inu meme coin was the target of 2 complaints. It's worth noting that the Musk puppy themed token was now also subjected to regulatory scrutiny in the United Kingdom. So, what is the ASAI's plan? For starters, the Irish watchdog is looking at how the United Kingdom is dealing with the boom in crypto ads. ASAI is particularly interested in UK Chancellor of the Executioner Rishi Sunk's plan to regulate crypto ads under UK Financial Conduct Authority standards. Ireland plays a significant role in this. The government has declared its desire to assist technological growth, and Binance has previously expressed its desire to establish a regional headquarter. However, the FCA in the United Kingdom is investigating some possible crypto measures to combat dangerous crypto ads and is soliciting recommendations in this regard. According to the regulator's website, under the proposed rules, the FCA would ensure that firms that approve and communicate financial marketing have relevant experience and understanding of the investments being offered, improve risk warnings on advertisements, and prohibit incentives to invest, such as new joiner or refer a friend bonuses, according to the FCA. This year's final edition is due in the summer. Following that, investors will have to wait and see if Ireland follows suit or if the legislation is tweaked to fit its own views on crypto innovation. Anyways, jumping to our next coverage, Ethereum is one of the most popular networks, owing to high demand from burgeoning industries such as DeFi and NFTs. Despite the fact that the cryptocurrency market is limping owing to enormous liquidations, more people are joining the Ethereum network. Glassnode, a market research firm, confirmed the total number of non-zero Ethereum addresses has just surpassed 73,439,200. At the end of last year, the value transferred on the ETH network was $11.6 trillion, whereas Visa's was $10.4 trillion. Ethereum, on the other hand, outperformed Bitcoin by more than double its $4.6 trillion trading volume. This is supported by the fact that ETH had a 399.2% yearly return rate in 2021 compared to 72.1% for Bitcoin. Raul Pal, the CEO and creator of Real Vision, recently stated that Ethereum surpassed Bitcoin because of the network burning mechanism and staking. The founder of Capriol Investments, Charles Edwards, recently stated that Ethereum's inflation was lower than Bitcoin's. He elaborated, Ethereum has made a foray into the world of hard currency. Ethereum's inflation rate has been lower than Bitcoin's for the past 3 months. What a graph! I never expected to see it. According to a recent study by crypto service provider Lucky Hash, upgrading to Ethereum 2.0 and switching to the proof of stake consensus mechanism would result in a 1% annual deflation rate. Meanwhile, Pantera Capital CIO Joey Krug recently stated that Ethereum had the potential to dominate the global financial system in the next 10 to 20 years. He calculated this based on the assumption that Ethereum will be used in 50% of all global financial transactions. So wrapping up with our final segment, a new proposal to ban crypto mining and trading in Russia is being slammed by prominent figures in Russia's tech industry and the political opposition. They argue that such a ban should be avoided for the sake of the country's economic future as well as the practicality of implementation. Let's dive into this one. A new plan to restrict cryptocurrency mining and trade in Russia has enraged Russia's opposition parties. Leonid Volkov and Pavel Durov slammed the Central Bank of Russia's plan in two separate and extensive Telegram postings from January 20 and 22. Durov is best known to the blog readers as the co-founder of encrypted messaging software Telegram, which was shut down by US authorities after an ill-fated attempt to establish its own cryptocurrency. Volkov is the right-hand man of Alexei Navalny, a famous Russian opposition figure who is presently imprisoned for his political actions. Last Monday, Russian authorities placed him and his colleague Ivan Zhdanov on a list of radicals and terrorists, preventing them from participating in public life and possessing bank accounts. Meanwhile, Volkov suggested that the move to attack crypto was a counterbalance to Russian security forces' incursion into Kazakhstan to assist the Tokayev administration in quelling civil unrest and making up for lost bribe money from the drug trade at the border, which he claims police and the regime receive frequently. Volkov is skeptical about technology. Such a prohibition will surely slow growth of blockchain technology as a whole, Durov added, predicting a tech exodus from Russia. Banning cryptocurrency is the same as prohibiting a transfer from one person to another. That is, it is impossible, Volkov wrote, arguing that a blanket ban would only complicate transactions and send them through foreign jurisdictions. This is Ludism, an anti-technology and anti-progress movement. Ludism is guaranteed to fail. Well, I guess that's all for today, folks. So we would now wind up with our assessment for today evening and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.